This time, at the third time of asking, we're away, and Holloway straight into his running. Such a brilliant technician. All the work done from the waist down. Devon Allen under pressure from Parchment. Broadbell going well. Broadbell putting... Oh, well, Broadbell gets it on the line. What a finish from Broadbell.
The 110-meter hurdles is one of the most electrifying events in track and field, where speed, precision, and consistency can make or break champions. And in recent years, it's been dominated by a fierce rivalry between two of the fastest men in the world, Grant Holloway from the United States and Jamaica's Rasheed Broadbell. Holloway is chasing his fourth World Championship title, while Broadbell is determined to claim his first gold. The 2025 season is shaping up to be the most intense yet. So, let's break it down and see who wins this Rasheed Broadbell vs Grant Holloway showdown this season. The 110-meter hurdles has a rich history dating back to the 1976 Montreal Olympics, when Cuba's Alejandro Casañas became the first Caribbean man to medal. He earned a silver medal and repeated the same performance 4 years later at the 1980 Moscow Olympics. Since that time, athletes such as Anya Garcia and Dayron Robles of Cuba and Ansel Parchment and Omar McLeod of Jamaica have won Olympic gold in the event. Now, fans believe that since being beaten by Ansel Parchment to win the gold medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, Grant Holloway has developed a rivalry with Jamaican athletes in the 110-meter hurdles. In fact, the athlete closest to him is Olympic bronze medalist Rasheed Broadbell, who is also Jamaican. Holloway's consistency is undeniable, with a personal best of 12.81 seconds set during the 2020 US Olympic trials. The time is just shy of Aries Merritt's world record of 12.80 seconds. Rasheed Broadbell, on the other hand, has a personal best of 12.94 seconds, which was done to win the 2023 Jamaican National Championship. Their first showdown came at the 2020 Goliathsman Memorial, where they both posted 13.12 seconds. In an incredible close finish, Broadbell was declared the winner by thousandths of a second. The two met two more times that season, with each of them taking one win. The 2023 World Championships seemed set for a Holloway vs Broadbell showdown, but Broadbell fell short in the first round. Holloway, however, cruised to gold. A year later, at the Paris Olympics, Holloway turned his disappointment at not winning gold at the Tokyo Olympics into becoming the first American man since Aries Merritt to win Olympic gold in the 110-meter hurdles. Rasheed Broadbell, on the other hand, was edged out by Daniel Roberts for the silver medal. With this, Broadbell became the fourth Jamaican man to earn a medal in the event and took a bronze home. After the Paris Olympics, Holloway and Broadbell met twice, taking one win each. Now, the 2025 season is here, and the Tokyo World Championship will mark the end of an intense year. With that, it's certain that Rasheed Broadbell and Grant Holloway will meet again, and the competition will be intense. But the big question is, who will win? That's a question we'll need to wait to get an answer to. Whether it's Holloway's quest for a fourth title or Broadbell finally stepping onto the podium, these athletes are setting the stage for some unforgettable moments. As we gear up for the 2025 season, one thing's for sure, this rivalry is far from over. What do you think? Will this finally be Rasheed Broadbell's year to take the gold? Or is Grant Holloway going to make history with his fourth World Championship title? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out this video on whether Ansel Parchment can break Alan Johnson's 110-meter hurdles World Masters record. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We would love to hear your opinions, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Caribbean Focus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.